Hello. Good morning, Mepta.
Good morning, sir.
How are you doing?
I'm doing fine. And what about you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. How's your father? I heard that he has sickness.
He's a little better now.
Okay, how's your family members?
My family members are very well now.
Okay. So, Mepta, you're a student of class 9.
No, I'm a student of class 8.
Okay, you are a student of class 8. And your school name, please?
My school name is Palvivi and I'm Government Girls High School.
Girls High School. Okay. So, what is your favorite subject?
I usually like all of the subject, but sometimes I like to read science and my Bangla first paper.
Okay. So, all of the subject, like specifically, if you tell me,
Specifically, I like science and English.
English. Okay. So, what do you want to be in future related to your favorite subject? Is there any choice?
I don't know, but I would like to be something important in my future so I can serve my people and my family and the nation too.
There is no specific target.
No, but I'll fix it soon.
Okay. Many students want to be a doctor, like engineer.
I used to like to be a doctor, but I thought that it's a long journey.
It's a long journey. Okay. How do you feel about teacher?
Teachers are the most important person in our country because if they don't teach us, we won't be able to grow up as the ideal person in future.
Okay. Okay. I wanted to know from this. Anyways, what's your hobby?
I usually like all of my hobbies, but sometimes I like to draw, or sometimes I like to swim, or sometimes I like gardening. So I can't tell specifically.
Do you have any garden?
Yeah, I have a garden.
Where's that? What types of plant you planted over there?
Usually there are many types of plants like herbal plants and flowers, fruits too.
Do you think gardens play an important roles for a family to meet up their nutrition values?
Yeah, I think because the city life is very polluted, so I think the family members should need
They
a
can
garden.
get from their raw vegetables.
Yeah,
It can also
specifically in the corona time.
corner time, and it's very important things that pollution free, like you refers to
Pollution
the
free, chemical free
chemicals free. Yes, chemicals free. You can get
from our.
raw and fresh vegetables to make up the nutrition demands of your family,
Yes,
and I think it's very important. Okay,
thank you.
what's your favorite color?
I usually like all of the colors, but sometimes black, white, and pink is my favorite color.
Okay, very good. Do you think what do you think the major color or popular color in our country?
I think red and green are the major and the popular color in the country because red and green are the color of our national flag.
Yes. Do you know the significance of these two color?
Yes, red shows the sacrifices of our great fire, firefighters who gave their lives in freedom fight, and green shows the color of the nature in Bangladesh.
Wow, thanks for nice information. Okay, now tell me, what color you dislike?
I usually dislike the color brown because I think it's boring and too bold.
Okay, but is there any specific regions that you dislike?
No, these two are the reasons.
Okay, very good. So now tell me, do you help your family members?
Yeah, of course I do. When my mother is a little bit sick, I usually help her cooking or help her gardening or you know keep playing with my little sister.
Yes, as members, it's your duties and responsibility to support your family.
I think it's not only mine, it's all of the family members have their responsibilities to their family.
Okay, as a student, what you should have responsibility to your school.
I think as a student, the responsibilities to my school is major because a student is the main part of the country. So we should be able to do our responsibilities, keeping our school clean, keeping them pollution-free, planting.
Okay. So what are the major facilities of your hometown?
Usually, electricity, Wi-Fi, water, and good roads.
Is there any attractive or tourist place for visiting?
Yeah, there are some attractive and tourist places in my hometown, like Lokmarajbari. Besides that, we have the epic place Paharpur near our home district. So I think these are the major. Yeah.
Okay. So do you have any park like I know there is a nice park, but
Yes.
my question is not that. What do you see? Like there is any changes whenever you are in kids and in the recent time? What do you see? Is there any changes?
I usually don't go to the park, but when I go, I see. When I was little, I didn't see many flower gardens or garden, and there were not many slides. But now there are many slides, and there's a nice flower garden. Plus, there's a plant too.
Okay. Thank you, Mepta. Thanks for a nice delivery, and I wish you all the best because you are improving and your level is, I think, very smart. You do speak good English, and wish you all the best. Thanks for joining.
Thank you.